In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Claude code to Replit agent in 3 minutes with no code. To start, open your existing app or website project in Replit. You'll be working inside that project the whole time, so make sure you're in the right one. In the workspace, look for the area that opens the agent setup or configuration panel. Replit will highlight it for you. Click to open it, and when you see permission prompts, go ahead and approve them. You may see 2 confirmations in a row. That's normal. Approving simply allows the agent to connect features it needs to run. Next, click Build. This opens the Agent Builder, where you can add integrations. Choose the option that adds Claude AI integration using Replit's built-in AI. With this route, you don't need your own API key. Billing goes to your Replit credits. Quick tip: if you're curious about usage, keep an eye on your credits balance so there are no surprises. Now publish your changes. Publishing saves the configuration and makes the agent available in your project. Give it a moment to finish. Head back to the Replit Home dashboard. From here, open the Create or Template Picker. You'll see categories like Web App, Mobile App, Data App, 3D Game, and Agents and Automations. Select Agents and Automations, then choose General to keep things simple. If you prefer, use the search bar to quickly locate your existing project. Click your project to open it again. Inside your project, return to the Build panel. You'll see options such as Ask Questions, Plan Your Work, and Make, Test, Iterate. Turn these on. The first helps your agent gather context and outline tasks, and the second lets it draft, test, and improve results in a loop. Great for iterative workflows without writing code. When those are enabled, click Publish. This takes you to the publishing section where you finalize how your agent is shared. If you see an option to claim a free domain credit, you can grab it now for a custom address, or skip it and stay on the default URL. Either way, click Publish again to push everything live. That's it. You've added Claude to your Replit agent with no code. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and confirm that your changes were published. Also, double-check that you approved the permissions and selected the built-in AI integration. From here, you can test prompts, refine your build settings, and republish anytime. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Claude.